Hi, Douglas Simonson here, coming to you from Mexico with a drawing demonstration. Today I'm going to be doing two quick sketches of the male figure, and the model is Jhoss. I met Jhoss a few months ago here in Puerto Vallarta, and he came to my home and modeled for me, and it was a nice sunny day, so I got a lot of images with dramatic lighting. Now, dramatic lighting I like because it's easier to draw. It's always easier to draw or paint from an image that has direct dramatic lighting as opposed to multiple light sources, subtle lighting, reflections in the shadows, and that sort of thing. So I'm not saying you should do one or the other, but if you're feeling like you want something simple, straightforward, and not too difficult, go for the dramatic lighting. And save the subtle multiple light source images with lots of nuances in the lighting for when you're more ambitious. It's always a good idea to start with blocking in the whole figure roughly before you start doing any refinements. You want to make sure that the basic shapes, the head, the torso, the limbs, are all in more or less the right place and are more or less the right size. Once you've got that in place, then you can start refining it. And by the way, these are rough sketches. I'm not going to take them to a great degree of finish because they are just rough sketches and they're more for practice. And by the way, this is a great way to improve your skills. When you're drawing a figure, especially a standing figure, it's always a good idea to check the relative lines of the hips and the shoulders. The line of the hips and the line of the shoulders will usually be opposing each other. And in a really classic contrapposto pose, and that's the pose that, for instance, Michelangelo's David is in, one shoulder will be higher than the other and one hip will be higher than the other, and they'll be on opposite sides. So in this case, we've got the shoulder on the right, that's our right, is higher. And that means the hip on the left will be higher. And in this case, the hip on the left, or I should say, the leg on the left is straight and it's carrying the weight. So that hip will be higher. So these relationships are really important when you're drawing the figure. And the more you practice and the more you look for these things, the easier it will be to see them, and the easier it will be for you to inject life into your figures. Okay, that's it for today. Just a quick sketching session. I hope you enjoyed watching me draw and maybe picked up some tips. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please do. That inspires me to create more videos. And if you got a little inspired today watching me draw, great! Sharpen your pencils and go draw!